My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I've made this short video for J&A Cooling and Heating. In this short video, I'll be talking about 3 things you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. And I'll keep this video short and sweet. If by the end of the video you like what you see and hear, shoot me a text or shoot me a message and we can chat. Going right into it, the 3 things I'm going to be talking about will be content, citations, and backlinks. So as you can see, I'm on the home page of your website right here, and I'll start with content. Now, Google loves content. The more, the merrier. You want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page alone to be able to outrank or actually be up in the search results. That'll help you move up. So keep that in mind. You want at least 1,500 or more words on this website. And just immediately, I can see a lot of little cosmetic changes that you can make, which will be really simple and not take up too much time, but will add to the look of your website and make it 10-20 times better and right up with the top websites out there. So just small changes I already see you could be making. The second thing you want to do, or I want to talk about rather, is citations. I did a little Google search right here for heating and air conditioning companies in New York City, so HVAC in New York City, just to show you what customer search results will look like. So the first thing you'll see is this Google Guaranteed section right here, and this is a paid service with Google where a business has to go through a verification process to be able to advertise right here. After that, you can see it's the best place to be because it's top of the page and it gives really good leads. After that, we go on to the second part, which is the traditional Google ads, which is a hit or miss depending on how the ad is placed. If the links are good, if the offer is good, if the wording is good, it can definitely get you some good leads, but if placed incorrectly, it can turn into a money pit as well. Moving down, we move down to this section called the map pack, and here I'll explain what a citation is. A citation is basically anywhere on the web which allows you to input your business information such as your name, address, and phone number. So that will count as one citation. As you can see right here, this Google Map Pack section, they only give the top 3 spots. So my recommendation is always to be able to get into these top 3 spots, and we specialize in that. After that, we go down to the organic section, which is where you'll find the websites which have beat out their competition and made it to the first page of the Google search results. This first page is where you want to be at, and this will give you the most amount of traffic and ultimately customers. The last thing I'm going to talk about today will be backlinks. Backlink is basically any website out there which is providing a link that goes to your website. I use this tool right here called Ahrefs. It really gives me great information on how to assess the performance of any website. I've typed in your website right here, but this is pretty rare because usually some kind of data does get pulled up. They buy their data right from Google. But as you can see, your website's not really doing that good. So you don't have any backlinks nor referring domains, and looks like you're not getting any traffic at this point. Now to show you what another competitor in New York is doing, I'll show you what their numbers look like. Right here. As you can see, it's a very, very big difference. They've got all their numbers filled out. And that means they're being searched and they're ranking. So I'll just go over the numbers. They got more than 700 referring domains with 3,100 backlinks, which is giving them more than 26,000 keywords, which is giving them at least 26,000 people visiting their traffic per month. That's called organic traffic. So this is the kind of numbers where you want to be heading towards. Now right here, this is your guys' information, the website. Now of course you made the website to get people to actually go there and eventually get customers. So at this point, just by implementing some simple strategies, we can boost these numbers and move them up very, very high, and that's exactly what we specialize in. Going back to your website, that's all I have for today. I hope you found this video to be educational, and if you want to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call. I'd love to chat. Thank you for your time, and you have a great day.